Did you check our video on how to download Omegle app on Android? And if you have not, then go ahead and click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen, and here in this video I'll teach you how to use the Omegle application if you have already downloaded it or used it from the website. So when you are here in the Omegle website, or you finally discovered how to have your Omegle application on Android, then you go ahead and click on this add your interests option, and that's optional. For example, you may write something like reading, and you can select multiple number of ideas or interests. So for example, travel, and yes, tick mark. And when you are done typing all of your interests, you go ahead and click on this option of start a chat, and you basically tick mark and click on confirm and continue. And yes, if it's displaying the important message of you must be 18 plus or 13 plus, then make sure you are eligible, because everything has got its own reasons. So when you are 100% sure, go ahead and click on confirm and continue. Take care, I am not a robot. And here you can simply type hello or something like that, and that's all. You will have your chatting started. But if you are like no, I don't want to talk with this person, then you simply click on stop right here, and so really, then here really. This is how you get disconnected and you go back. And similarly, if you want to have a kind of video chat or something, you go ahead and click on this video option right here, and again you click on these both options and you click on confirm and continue, and you will have a stranger talking to you. And if you are not liking to talk with that stranger, then you simply click on stop option, and that's the thing. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new on how to use Omegle. Make sure you are respecting each other while using Omegle, and thank you. Bye bye.